Now that crunch was produced by none other than the Ninja air fryer. It has two compartments here, which makes it pretty versatile as far as your cooking ability. And as you can see, it's very crispy, which is the main reason why I got this. But it's very easy to clean, which, you know, I've noticed other air fryers tend to struggle with this, and this is what Ninja does very well. But it's easy. You just put some water in, or you can actually machine wash in the dishwasher here the internals. But super nice. Once you dry them out, you basically just plug and play, put them all back, and you put it in and you're ready to go. Now, as far as the actual features themselves, it does come with 6 different modes. You're still air frying, but it comes at different preset temperatures essentially. So if you're baking something and you want kind of the internals to be heated up versus like an air fry, which is more crispy on the end, you can do that. But as far as the smart features go as well, you can actually finish both cells or compartments at the same time, or if you wanted them offsetting, you could do that as well. But overall, a great product, something Ninja did very well, and I'd highly recommend it for anybody wanting one.